Hello guys, in this video I will be showing you how e-commerce experts search for hot selling products. My name is Chijioke Stanley, and if you're coming across this channel for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn up your notification bell to get upcoming videos or similar videos like. So now let's get started. When it comes to picking products online, you see, there is a good news and there's also a bad news. The bad news is that you really need to sacrifice your time to dig deep and search for products. You can't just come online and pick a particular product and say that product is selling. That is not the way it is being done. You have to search very well. You have to do your research enough for you to come up with those products that are really selling. I created this video as a result of friends asking me on how they could search for hot selling products. So now this is one of the way. I think this should be the part 2 video of me in the same topic, how to source for hot selling products. The previous one I did is on AliExpress, so I will leave a link to the description of that video, the one I created on AliExpress, on how you can search for hot selling products. So and also I'll be leaving the link to this Amazon page that will be directing you to bestsellers, their products, bestsellers products. So now before we get started on this site to see the product that are here, I would advise, if you've not gotten a product niche, you have to do that, because it is very, very important that you have a product niche. Very, very important. I believe you don't want to go out there and start ordering goods that are not selling. So I have done my research properly and I have discovered that the two major niches that are really trending, that are really selling big time, are the beauty product niche, the fitness niche, and gadget and convenience. They are selling big time. So now let's dive into this and start seeing what has here for us. So let's go to Amazon device and accessories and see what they have there. So now these are the Amazon device and accessories. These are convenient, you can get them. These are convenient, as you can see. This is a tablet. So now there are more products here. There are more products here, and you pick either you download the image or you just copy the name of that product. You go to Amazon and search for you go to AliExpress and search for the product. You can also use this image to search for the product on 1688. For those of us that are just hearing about 1688 for the first time, 1688 is a Chinese, the domestic Chinese e-commerce store that is being created for those residing in China. But those living outside China can still leverage the opportunity to shop from 1688 by the help of their buying agent and the shipping agent that will be shipping your goods down to your respective country. So now you can copy this image and just search for it on 1688. I will also be leaving the link on how you can search for product using the image on 1688. So now do wait to go there and check out videos and know what they're all talking about. So now let's go back to the home page of bestsellers. So we're here, we've gone through the Amazon device and accessories. Let's go to beauty and personal care. So you can go through this product, which one you pick. You can see that 2,388 of this particular product, this cotton swabs, has been ordered. You can see this. Okay, now this one is an Indian Healing Clear. 17,423 has been ordered. Of this particular one has been ordered. You can see it has been ordered. So now you can also pick such a product, copy, you download the image, you go to AliExpress, search for the product, or use the product name. You can also go to 1688 to search for the product. So these are built products. Health also, as you can see, there are so many of them out there. You can use skin vitamin C serum for face cleaning. This kind of list selling, as you can see, it has been sold 7,958 pieces have been sold out. You can see these products, they are selling big time. You can pick any of these products here and also start importing them to the, so you could sell and start making profit for yourself. So now let's go back to the home page. So the next thing we'll be hitting here is I think we've talked about the gadget convenient talk beauty and what again. Okay, let's click on the health and household. So now let's check on the health product they have here also. You see there are thousands of products you can pick out here. You mustn't wait for it to be trending. You can just pick them out here. You could be the first person selling that product in your country. You could be the first person selling that product in your location. So don't waste time. Just have product and start making your profit immediately. These are some secrets most people are in us. These are some of the secrets you can see. Some of this. These are batteries. These are home accessories. You can also pick them and start selling. So now I believe this video is really helpful. I believe this video is really helpful, but let me summarize it again. You need to pick a product niche for yourself in order to succeed in e-commerce business. It's very important. And you don't have to just come online and start picking product. You have to research very well to get trending product. So I believe this video is helpful. If you've not hit the subscribe button, don't forget to do so, and then don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you could get future videos like this. Don't forget to comment and share this to your friends and family who might need this video. Thank you, and see you in our next video. Thank you.